East Packaging Machinery, established in 2012, and handles everything from research and development to production and sales. East Packaging Machinery Company strictly follows international quality management, measurement, and standardized production systems. Our packaging machines can be widely used in food, medical, chemical, daily necessities, hardware and other industries. As a leading national high-tech enterprise, we hold over 30 patents and certifications. Our fully automated packaging machines include doi bag packing machines, vertical packaging machines, and flow packing machines, among other series. Our automated packaging machines can complete all tasks, including automatic weighing, counting, bag making, bag opening, feeding, filling, coating, and conveying. Whether your product is 1 gram or 50 kilograms, we have the most suitable packaging solution for you. We sell to more than 200 countries worldwide, and have established strong, stable partnerships with businesses in the US, Canada, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and across Europe. We have a 1v1 sales manager to treat each customer with care. Our complete after-sales system relieves you of worries. You can trust the quality of our machines, and you can trust the reputation we've earned from our customers. EasternPack Machine, your personal packaging machine customization butler, helps you find a better packaging solution.